our clients are leveraging data. I actually think what would be kind of cool is to make it a little bit of a blooper reel, but we're saying legitimate things. You know what I'm saying? I think that would be way more engaging and entertaining for people.
Edited it. Edited it.
That sucks.
Edited it.
Dang it.
Edited it.
This chair is super uncomfortable.
Edited it.
All right. Me. Here we go.
Let's
do it.
Edited it.
I believe MG.
Edited it.
How are you going to do marks?
Edited it.
It is with.
Edited it.
How are my eyes?
So I just want to point out to whoever's watching this and cutting this that Kevin Schlack was supposed to do this portion, and since he backed out, I'm jumping in to fill the void because that's the kind of person that I am.
Too much power. I wrote this. I should know this.
I already screwed up on the first.
Our Team D coalition of brands as AEC.
Oh, I got to be on a call. Sorry.
I might ask you to zoom in on that one just a little bit. I forgot to put my contacts in today. No, you're good. And if this ends up in a blooper reel, Cassandra.
I mean, you never know.